unbox my September to December 2023 pre-order, all from the new mini catalogue that's coming out, available to customers in September, available to demonstrators in August. So let's see what's in the box. I've ordered the More Wishes stamp set. I'm loving using the Biggest Wish stamp set that's in the annual catalogue, so I just knew that I was going to use this one heaps as well, and I really do hope to see it carry over. You'll notice in the catalogue that there are lots and lots of cards that have got deckled circles being used on them, and sneakily in the catalogue somewhere is the deckled circle dies, so that was a must-have for me. And I couldn't resist this gorgeous Christmas Tidings embossing folder. It's got lots of Christmas sentiments in there that you'll see in the background of the cards, and I just thought that would just be such a gorgeous touch to my cards. Oh, this was a no-brainer for me, the Send In Cheer. I had this little gingerbread man, which I think would be fantastic for the kids in my classroom. You've got a present, there's this lovely little envelope stamp set, a little stocking. There are so many uses that I can think of for this stamp set. If I was going to suggest one stamp set to purchase from the whole catalogue with versatility, this would be one of them. And it also comes with a set of Send In Cheers dies as well. So you could make gift tags, you could make 3D cards. The uses are going to be endless. So that is a definite must-have. For me, this, I just can't resist a Christmas tree, and I thought Stampin' Up's just done such a beautiful Christmas tree in this stamp set this year. And I always love how there's like a little sentiment that's like shaped like a little Christmas tree as well. So this was also a must-have, and it comes with the coordinating dies, the Merriest Trees dies, and there's these gorgeous little you know, baubles and bows. So there's lots of little elements as well that would be fantastic just to stamp into the background of your cards and have that 3D tree that pops out from there. So I can't wait to start to make some cards with this and show you guys. I'm always looking for a really big sentiment to have on the front of a card, just for that kind of that wow factor, also that simplicity, especially if you are making lots of cards. So this is going to be perfect for those mass-produced cards. And then of course we're going to talk about the elements that we have on our cards. So this is the iridescent ribbon. And I'm not too sure if you can see on the video, but it's got that beautiful shimmery, shiny, greeny, blue, pinky shine to it. And to coordinate with that is also these iridescent adhesive back discs. When I saw these, it made me think of Beautiful Balloons stamp set, like it's confetti in the background. So I've got a couple of ideas of how I'm going to be using these. And when I saw these blooming pearls, I just had to get them. And there's like a real kind of iridescence to that as well, which I can see. They're just gorgeous. What is available now as an online exclusive in the kits, also on special. So I got this for like $20.70 in Australian dollars on sale. So, and it's brand new. So this is the Festive Tags kit, and with this I'm going to be able to make 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. I'm going to be able to make 15 festive tags. And it's also a non-stamping kit. So just you've got everything that you need there. Put it together and your tags are ready to go. So this is going to be very good. If you really push for time, you want to put in more effort into your cards, but you want to have some tags. This is the way to go. Real quick make. I can't wait to make that one with you guys. I'll definitely be showing that one to you on YouTube when I get to that. Oh, okay. It's paper time. The Mini-Catalogue is full of adorable paper. I don't think there is one pattern paper in this catalogue that I don't love. So it was really hard to narrow down my choices, but I'm really happy with what I've got. And yeah, there probably will be another order coming soon. So first of all, I just had to get the Merry, Bold and Bright pattern paper. And I always love like strings of lights and things like that. So this is really bright, really colourful. So there's lots of your bright family stamp, ink colour family in this paper here. On the back it's like blueberry bushel, flirty flamingo, granny apple green, lemon lime twist, your melon mambo, your poppy parade. So lots of your brights in there and a couple of regals. This is the Melon Mambo and Granny Apple Green foil sheets. So this is a beautiful Melon Mambo foil sheet that you see here. So really excited of what I might be able to do with that. Oh, sorry, it's all crashing down here. I got this because October is coming, and in October we do our World Card Making Day. And what I like to do on World Card Making Day is the One Sheet Wonder cards. And so the Joy of Christmas pattern paper has got lots of papers that don't have that aren't directional, so they're going to be fantastic for those One Sheet Wonder cards. Now I also got the red and green foil sheets, and I've saved the best to last. This paper is beautiful. So this is called A Walk in the Forest, and when you purchase it, there is in Australia $4.75 that will go to a charity, and that's throughout the world. So no matter where you are, the purchase of this pattern paper part of that purchase will go towards a charity. And the designs in this paper are absolutely adorable, and there'll be another video where I'll walk you through that paper. But thanks so much for unboxing with me, and I can't wait to get making and show you guys what you can do with this fantastic catalogue. See ya!